I have been in libraries in just about every state in America. Whenever I move somewhere, the first thing I do is find a library, because that's my point of knowing what the city is about.
Libraries are a gateway to knowledge and culture. If you'd compare the city to a human body, you could say that the libraries are part of the brain of the city. So they play a fundamental role in our society, now maybe more than ever.
Books, to me, is like exploring the world. You can't have a big enough library in your house to do that. So I think the library is something that's essential in our lives. If we didn't have the public libraries, I think that it cuts out a major portion of our education.
It's great to have so many online resources these days. However, surprisingly, learning from physical books is still considered by many more effective because it has less distractions, there's multiple senses involved, there's more structure, and it's a deeper experience overall.
I started using the Sutter County Library back when I was in grade school. During high school, we would come over and play Dungeons and Dragons and like Magic card game. And then when I went through college, we would come over and study. After college, I was a teacher, so I'd have students meet me here sometimes. And then I actually started working here. I've been here for 20 years, which is amazing to me because it went by so quickly.
I started coming here to the Sutter County Library in 2016. I moved here from Sacramento, and I found that the Sutter County Library was magnificent, much more so than I anticipated.
My children, who are now in their 30s, have fond memories of coming to this very library as children, especially during the summer reading program. Great celebrations took place when they won that personal pizza for their reading. My grandchildren continue to come here to family fun nights, and I continue to check out books and CDs.
I used to bring my friends here all the time and we would have fun, but so many people for some reason didn't even know we had a library. And like that was me too when I was young, but like, come on, you're in high school. Like, how long have you been in the city? Why do you not know the libraries here? So I hope a lot more people get involved in the future. And I remember coming to the library, and while I was checking out books, one of the librarians told me that volunteering was a thing. And I got excited because I find it really fun helping people. I remember just shelving at first, but then I got more involved and we were actually doing events and stuff, like during the summer with the summer reading, and they had like all those fun events like the circus and the movie night, and it was just really fun.
I really enjoyed the concerts I've seen here. They bring the community together. Also, it's great to have access through the Sutter County Library to the Sacramento Library's materials.
When I come to the library, I find myself surrounded by friendly, welcoming staff. I find my imagination stretched, and I get just inspired by being here.
I've always liked this library. I like the building itself. It's nice to be here in the wintertime when you can't go outside. This room is really large, and so you don't get claustrophobic. With the remodel, it looks really great. It's going to be a lot more functional to have different areas and study rooms and another conference room for people to use. It's going to be really nice to have new equipment and just a refresh after being here for, what was it, built in the 60s or 70s? So it was time. So I'm really looking forward to the reopening and having other people see what we've been able to kind of see during construction.
I hope everyone else is as hyped as I am about the Sutter County Library reopening, because there's just so much to do here.
I am so anxious for the new library to open, and I know it's going to be even better than it was, and I will be here probably on day one when it opens.